Hello my gorgeous people, welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Well, today we're going to do, I don't know, I've been into the browns and the smoky and the sexy eye look, so we're going to be doing that today. I already primed my eyes and I did my eyebrows off camera, so we're going to begin with this makeup tutorial. We're going to be using this palette right here. I already used it in one of my tutorials before, so we're going to be using this, and this is the Dominique Cosmetics, and the reason why is because, I mean, come on, it has all the browns and warm color that I want to be using today. So we're just going to begin with this tutorial. I just want a look that is going to give me sexy and is going to give me nighttime and like, girl, you look hot and stunning, and let's go out for a sexy dinner night, or I don't know, club night, or whatever you guys want to go at night. So let's begin. So I'm going to be using this color right here, and this is Toffee, and I'm going to just place that right here in the outer corner, just like so. So all I'm doing is circular motion and bringing that out just like that. I want a sexy look. I'm like getting into these brown, I don't know, like if you've been watching my vlogs, I've been literally saying that I've been getting into like the neutrals and like the real soft colors. I don't know what's going on. Maybe I'm getting older and I'm just loving the neutral and blacks and browns and khaki color. But now I also see that I'm doing that with makeup too. I don't get it. I don't get it, but whatever, I think it's sexy. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be placing Coffee Bean, this color right here, and I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm just going to dab it in the outer corner just to darken that up, and then do circular motion just like that. Just like that. Super cute. We're going for that sex appeal. And I'm just doing it halfway because we're just going to bring everything up. So this up here, I'm just going to blend this out. Just like that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a tinier, fluffier brush, and this is my Morphe brush. It doesn't have a number, but I'm going to use this brush right here, super small, and I'm going to use Hazelnut because it's so beautiful, that color right here, and I'm going to place it right up here just to give me a little bit of that warmth. I'm just tapping it, and then we're gonna blend it. Beautiful, girlfriend. We're gonna be looking so sexy. Be into that type of look. Nighttime, sexy, goddess type of look. So now I'm going to use this brush right here that doesn't have no product, and I'm just going to blend everything out with sheer wipers. Blend, don't be scared of blending. Now I want to bring back that dark brown because I feel like I lost it. And we don't want to lose that brown. No, we don't. And then we're gonna bring that toffee back, that color right here. And we're gonna just blend that dark brown with the hazelnut. Like, I'm just drinking a beautiful coffee latte over here in my eyes. Like, sounds amazing. So all we're doing is just smoking everything out, looking seamlessly, because we are trying to look fierce and sexy. And you know me, I'm not afraid of dark colors. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the crease. I'm gonna be using simple e.l.f. 16 Hour Camel Concealer right here, and I'm just gonna cut the crease. We want a sharp cut crease. Let me use I'm gonna use this brush right here. I'm gonna use this little flat brush. I'm gonna look up and I'm just gonna cut it. Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. I have big lid space, so I can like do a lot to these eyes. Look, I'm talking, I just messed up my line. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I just did my lashes individual. I have a video coming up for that, but doing makeup, like nice beautiful makeup with individual lashes on, is super hard because it's like in the way. So I give it to those girls that have fake lashes on always, and they're like making good makeup videos, like eyeshadow videos, because this is hard. All right, I'm gonna tap that. That's this product. I'm just using a flat concealer brush and I'm just patting the concealer, flatten it out. So there you go. So all I'm gonna do is pat it, pat the color. I didn't put no product in here. And I'm just bringing it in. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of that black color in the outer corner. And use the side of the brush and just blend it. And right now I'm using hazelnut and I'm just placing it in the middle. So I have like the darker brown, the darker black right here with a little bit of the light brown, blending it with the black. And then I'm gonna grab a flat brush. See if I can find one. I'm gonna grab a flat brush like this, and I'm going to be using this color right here, and I'm gonna place it where I cut the crease, just to brighten that up. Do you guys starting to see the look that I'm going for? Like that dingy, biker, sexy, going out type of look, leather jacket. Yeah, that's what I'm going for. Exactly what I'm going for. So I'm gonna grab that brush again and just blend everything out, the purple and that light white color. We're not done here, guys. We're not done. We are not done. Watch this. Now, you see how I like that black? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a flat brush, tinier pencil brush if I can find it. A tinier pencil brush like this. And I'm going to use that dark black color of the palette, and I'm just going to wing it. And then we're just blending it. Now I'm grabbing this little brush right here, the fluffy little brush, and I'm just blending that black. Alright guys, I'm going to do my other eye, and I'm going to do my face, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I am back. So we're going to finish underneath her eyes. We're going to be placing this color right here, and it's Chai. We're going to place it underneath her eyes, and I'm going to be using a pencil brush. I'm going to clean it up. I'm going to use this same pencil brush right here, and I'm going to use Chai. We're going to place it underneath the eyes. So we're going to use Hazelnut and place it underneath that. Bring out that Chai color out. Just like that. Then we're going to use that black color. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it just so it can be like a black pencil, and put it on the waterline. Just like that. Beautiful, sexy. Now we're going to use the Bad Girl Bang from Benefit, and I'm going to place that on my waterline, the mascara, and give it like more dolly effect. I don't have to do my lashes because I already did it, and that's giving me a fierce look. And we're not done yet guys, because now we're going to do highlight. We're going to highlight our face, and I'm going to be using Lower Cellar, this right here, and I'm going to highlight my face, nose, Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you guys did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment, like, and also subscribe. And until my next video guys, adios.